The next mass extinction? Well, everybody always talks about the sixth mass extinction or the Anthropocene mass extinction. But there is one thing that has popped up over the past year: microplastics. If you never heard of microplastics before, well, they're everywhere. And basically, there was a disturbing study that sperm counts in animals, including us, have declined, and that more animals and species are becoming infertile because mostly due to microplastics as well. They have been found in everywhere in soil, not just in our houses, but in the soil and the ground, and it is basically killing everything. So yes, I'm not the woo woo types of people online who talk about how we need to reduce the population and stuff like that. I would never advocate for anyone to reduce the population. I'm not part of those crazy people online. But I do think the microplastic thing is a serious problem that we need to solve. Okay, this is a serious thing we need to solve because it may just cause our extinction and a lot of other animals extinction. And they're also found in the water because we get water bottles in the water. We pollute the water with water bottles. They go into the ocean. They affect the fertility, of animals in the ocean. Of course, we haven't seen the sign in animals, but it's shown in rats and us that it does make fertility way worse. So, microplastics may cause simply the next mass extinction. And the animals that are able to survive it will be the animals that will inherit Earth. And once they do something to stop plastic, which we're always trying to find alternatives to plastic as well. So yeah, plastic may be the number one cause of all of the environmental cataclysms. Besides, us, destroying, the environment and stuff. But the real environmental cataclysm may be coming from plastic. Yes, plastic. I always hated plastic. Plastic. Always hated plastic. If you see my unboxing videos, you know how much I dread plastic. But think of the animals in the landfills, the birds, the dogs, and all those animals that are scavengers. They get microplastics too because we use plastic bags. Okay, that's why they're trying to change, and they're trying to change it. Animals get it too. We leave plastic all over the ground. Animals get it too. They are going to get microplastics in their bodies too. It's not just a human problem. It is a global environmental catastrophe. And again, it's only stuff we have just recently known about. But I think we really need to find an alternative to plastic very quickly. Okay? Because it's not just happening in humans, it's happening in animals too. Which means we might see a mass extinction on the power of the great dying. And the animals that are able to reproduce successfully in spite, and fight off these microplastics in the system and be able to reproduce successfully are going to be the animals that will survive. It's happening in every animal in the world, not just us. Every animal, every insect, from insects to humans to elephants, every animal. Okay? As well. Okay? And, I think pollution is definitely something we need to learn to stop 100% doing. And that's about this video here. Goodbye.